What's up, everybody? Out here on this lake this morning on a nasty weather day, but we're hoping that's going to be a muskie catching frenzy today. So that's where we're at. Obviously, you can tell we're not on Lake St. Clair. We're on another lake, a little bit smaller lake. So hopefully the muskies will be a little bit more concentrated on this lake and get a little bit better chance of catching them. We're the only ones out here on this lake. So we got the whole lake to ourselves, do whatever we want. Brian's got a new lure that he's going to use. We're not going to tell you what it is yet, but he's going to be trying out this new lure today, specifically for muskie, because that's what we're here for today. It's just muskie. So we're hoping this weather, this rain, nasty weather is going to do it for us and make those muskies bite today. What do you think, Brian?
I think muskie fever is the only reason that you would be drug out to this weather in this conditions and try to have a good time.
That's right.
You get that muskie fever and it's over.
Yeah. So we're going after it. So stay tuned. I think you're going to like what you see today. So I'll catch y'all later. So hopefully it's on good.
That means when I'm up north, I can use one car the whole time I'm fishing and not have to do anything with it.
Yeah. That'd be a lot of, oh, here we go. That'd be a lot of shit to go through.
Ooh, they're turning on, Brian.
They're turning on. Oh my God,
on.
it's on. Well, shit. All right, look at that. First one of the day, a little largy. So here we go.
That one.
All right. Good job, man. I mean, that thing's soon to hit the water.
No, I cranked it a little bit.
Did you?
Yeah.
All right, Brian. Oh, you hooked him in the side, dude.
Oh, Lord.
Damn, you got lucky. Talk about foul hook, man. Gee whiz.
There we go. No skunk today for us. Another little largemouth.
Hell yeah.
What are you trying now?
Swim bait. Got him. He's on. All right, another small largemouth for the day. Good looking smallmouth. I mean largemouth. Wow. Good color. Wish he was bigger.
Oh, shit, man. Good job, man. I was going to pop it up in front of your face and scare you. Oh! Oh, yeah. Another little large.
Man, he took.
Yeah, he did. So no call for that. All right, so we're bored and we're just fishing for whatever bites. Here's another little tiny largemouth.
Need another PB waiting for you.
Peanut butter jelly?
Oh, here we go.
What is it?
He's bigger. He's a little bit bigger than the other. He's swimming towards me. Oh.
You found him.
Yeah. All right. There's another one, same size as the rest of them, but it's another one for the boat today. Better than getting skunked. All right, here we are, the end of the day. Frustrated as usual, going after muskie. We were here at ideal conditions. It was raining, pouring down rain this morning. Cloudy all day long. It's sprinkling right now. We're seeing muskie jump all over the place, but we can't get them on the line. Guess that's why they call them the fish of 10,000 casts. I think I'm on like 9,500, so I got 500 more to go, seems like. But we did catch a few bass today, very small bass. It was good to get something on the line, but very frustrated that we didn't get any muskie today. What do you think, Brian?
I think I hate those fish.
That's right.
When you catch them, it's awesome,
But man, it's few, just few, you know, it's just so few and far between is the problem. I mean, this lake is, they're so concentrated. There's a lot of them in here, but they're just not biting for some reason. And we threw everything at them today. But it is what it is. I mean, it was still fun to be out here on the lake and catch some bass. So hopefully you like a little bit of what you see.